Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to set up Discord verification system with Dyno Discord bot. So guys, first go to roles, and as you can see here, click on role name verified and go to promotion and select on view channel and create invite and then send message, as you can see here, and embed links and add reaction and read message history on, and as application command and speak, and go to save change, and then go to your Discord and click clear promotion and add the Dyno Discord bot, and then click on done, as you can see here, and go to server setting and the role, and click above the verify role and reaction rule. You can edit name by verify and click rules, and you can here add title reaction for this message, and you can verify and save embed and go to add reaction, as you can see here, and verified, and keep react counter and select verify rules and save the edit. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more content.